She's inspiring. She's so good at teaching and making kids feel welcome and making kids just want to learn. She makes kids want to learn and come to school. That's why I love coming to school. It's to see Miss Eyde. She's probably the best teacher I have ever had.
She understands people. She if someone doesn't understand something, she finds multiple ways to do it.
When I was a kid, we were taught one way to do everything. There was always one particular method. In my classroom, we try to find 100 methods to do everything, and I let my kids choose their favorite because I want them to feel like they can learn, even if they're not your traditional student.
She makes sure kids get the help that they need, and she's a really great teacher.
And that's my favorite part, is that my kids feel so loved and safe here, and they feel like they're really important, and I think that's the best part of being here.